in the box?
Hi, welcome to Photography. My name's Patrick, and today, for What's in the Box, we got a package from Funko. So without wasting any time, let's get this bad boy open and see what's in the box. Total surprise. I was talking about this earlier in this week's episode of the Star Wars podcast, but I am so excited for this. I got the Qui-Gon Jinn vs. Darth Maul 2-pack from the 25th anniversary of the Phantom Menace, which was a Funko Shop exclusive. Look at that. That is just awesome sauce. Here's your packaging. We're definitely going to be putting these on the turntable, but let's get this bad boy open and take a better look at these closer up and outside of the packaging. I can't even express how excited I am to have this. This is one scene 2-pack, whatever you want to call it, with Qui-Gon and Maul that I've been wanting to see for the longest time. So very excited to finally get these. Look at Qui-Gon. This pop is just phenomenal. She got his hair, all the detail of his hair blowing, his poncho on. I love the layers that you get to see underneath of his poncho and everything. His Jedi belt, lightsaber extended, really nice. Love how they did that. Yeah, I'm loving the fact that my sabers aren't bent. Really enjoy that. Then you have Darth Maul. What can I say? He is phenomenal. Very similar to a previous one we had, but yet so different. Again, you're gonna love this detail of his cloaks kind of flowing there as he's turning in the desert sands and wind. That looks great. And again, another nice straight blade, no curve. Detail on the lightsabers look excellent. They really have that scene nailed down. Like, look at that. That just looks phenomenal. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these guys on the turntable so you can get a better look at them. I'll put them on individually and then together. And you can get a better look at these and tell me what you think. Would you get these Funko Pops? Add them to your collection. Have you already ordered them, pre-ordered them? Tell me in the comments below. Very curious. If you enjoyed today's content, please hit the like, definitely hit the subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode of Photography. Until then, may the force be with you.